Ever walk back into your classroom and think, what happened here? Markers without caps, paper scraps strewn all over the floor, and papers half stuffed into cubbies. It's like a tornado blew through while you were gone. And now you're stuck putting the pieces back together. Why? Because there wasn't enough time to clean up before the mad rush to lunch. And instead of catching your breath, you're having to take those precious moments that you pretty much never get and retidy the classroom a little bit so that when the students come back, you guys can get back to work. I've been there, and let me tell you, it doesn't have to be like this. I'm going to share 3 huge game changers that made a big difference in my classroom. Before I share these, I'd love if you take a second and hit the like and subscribe button so that I can make more of these videos for you guys in the future. All right, so the first thing that I did that completely transformed my classroom was I started using visual timers. These aren't just any timers. Visual timers show students exactly how much time is left. The time as it decreases matches objects decreasing on the screen. For example, in this cleaning timer, the character is cleaning up blocks. And when he's finished and all the blocks are clean, time is up. I love this because instead of complaining, my students are racing to beat him. They're asking themselves, can we clean faster than he can? It adds a sense of urgency and a fun challenge. And the best part is, I'm not the one having to constantly remind them to clean up. Instead, the timer is doing it for me. The second thing that's made a world of difference is making it fun. And nothing says fun like a little bit of music. Personally, I love to play the songs from my free transitions playlist, but honestly, any song that you or your class really likes will work. It turns a chore, something that you have to do, into a little bit more of a game, something fun. And you'd be amazed at how much faster your students are cleaning while they're singing and listening to music. The rule is simple. When the music stops, everything should be cleaned up and your kids should be ready for the next activity. The third thing that made a huge difference was teaching my class how to work together as a team. Yes, I know sometimes 1 or 2 kids or groups are the main culprits of the mess, but in our classroom, we're a team, and a team works together. To encourage this, we started using a classroom management game board. Each time the class works together to clean up quickly and quietly, we get to move a space on the board. When we reach the end, instead of giving like something out of the treasure box or a treat, instead, I like to give them experiences in the classroom that are fun that we were already gonna get to have. So you heard me, like it was something that was already on my plans, something that we were gonna get to do, and I'm telling them that this is their treat. Something like chewing bubblegum and blowing bubbles, which we were going to already use for our transition writing on practicing how to blow bubbles. The reward is built into the learning, but it keeps them motivated, and that's the most important part. Now imagine this. You press play on your favorite fun song. Students see the visual timer and race to beat the clock. They're working together and helping each other while having fun. And when the music stops, the classroom is spotless. No more chaos, no more walking back into a crazy mess. Just a clean classroom and a little sanity restored. If you're ready to end the chaos, I want you guys to try out these 3 tips and let me know how it goes in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more classroom management tips and tricks videos that I like to put out. And if you are needing a link to any of the items that I've shown in this video, don't forget to check the description for those below. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time.